That's a nightmare down there, especially that overpass.
Oh yeah.
That is going to be an ice rink tonight.
Direct 1347.
Look at this.
Yeah, what is this?
You want to circle around?
Yeah, so that's the exit ramp from 66 to County Parkway northbound.
Yeah, someone's just shoveling.
Because the snowplow piled up a big pile of snow there.
Oh yeah.
That's going to be a problem. Someone's going to come around that curve.
Station 2, somebody for traffic on 1196. Good area 210, Fort Hunt, Bellhaven for Gray Lexus, Maryland Tag.
Yeah, you might want to call that into state police because someone's going to come off that off ramp and not know those people are stopped.
That's 66 to
66 westbound to
7100.
I'm sorry,
Okay, so I also
286
need to update
northbound.
the record. That's in
Fairfax 1 to VSP.
Fairfax 1, go ahead.
Sir, we're airborne. We're looking at a couple of cars on the ramp from 66 westbound onto 286 northbound. The snowplower has made like an embankment there, and some cars are trying to open up that ramp. If you have a trooper that can go.
There's a trooper right down there.
VDOT's on scene, disregard.
Actually, VDOT's on scene, so you can disregard.
Someone's on scene.
You just asked someone on scene?
Yeah, VDOT's there.
349 Fairfax. 349, go ahead.
Alright, I'm going down to Braddock. You guys good?
21 Fairfax.
Look at that, they got 3 snowplows right there.
Department's aviation unit and tell them I'm 15 minutes out to their helipad.
Oh. Alright, we need to land because they're 15 minutes out to helipad. He's early.
Okay.
Sorry.
No,